Hello producers, how's it going? In today's tutorial, we're going to create a track in the classic Tale of Us style. Tale of Us is an Italian production duo consisting of Carmine Conte and Matteo Milleri. They are known for their unique approach to electronic music, blending techno with elements of melancholy, melody, and deep emotions. Their productions have a distinctive atmosphere, which has earned them great popularity on the electronic music scene. Tale of Us are also the founders of the Afterlife label, which has achieved massive success in recent years. All the presets I'm going to use in this video come from my new Serum presets pack, OMNIA. Okay guys, let's set the tempo to 124 beats per minute and move on to creating the low end of our track. We'll start with the kick. It should be strong but not too long. I'm going to cut a bit of the frequency in the EQ around 2400 Hz. Then I'll add drum bus to introduce some distortion and a boom effect to make the kick deeper. I'll use a preset called Astralis to create the bass. Then I'll arrange an interesting rhythm in the piano roll. For the bass, I'll add the following effects. For the lead sound, I'll use a preset called Magic. Now it's time to create the melody. I want it to be quite dark and deep, something in the style of Tale of Us, like this. Okay, it's time to add some effects to strengthen the sound with saturation and brighten it up. Now I'm going to add some bass and synth shots to make the track more interesting. Let's listen to what we've done so far. The second part of the drop will be more dreamy, so I've decided to add some pad layers and atmospheric samples. Pads and atmosphere together. To achieve a fuller frequency spectrum, I'll add a mid-synth to boost that range. I'll use a preset called Sierra and make some slight modifications in Serum. Time for loops and percussions. I'm going to use a very interesting cowbell loop as the main element. Clap. Open hats. Crash. Congo. Shaker. And second shaker. Let's listen to the second part of the drop. Now we'll move on to creating the breakdown. I'll start by making the chords. I'll automate the filter cutoff to gradually open up the chords. To add some bass in the breakdown, I'll bring in the bass stabs from the drop and turn off the low cut in EQ8. I'll also add the main lead with an opening filter. Finally, I'll add a cowbell loop and some FX. Now we'll create an extended mix arrangement of the track. In the melodic techno genre, it's a good idea to make long intros so that the track is easy to mix by DJs. In this track, we'll create a 48-bar intro. Every 16 bars, I'll add something new to keep the track interesting. Before the first drop, I'll create a short 8-bar breakdown. During this part, we'll introduce a new element, our main lead. We'll also build tension with FX and a snare, so the drop serves as the release of that tension. I'll record the first note of the lead, then reverse it to build more tension before the drop. After the second drop, I'll extend the outro to 32 bars. Okay, we've got it. Before presenting the whole track, I'll show you the effects I applied on the master.